Did you send invoices or receipts to the wrong module? No problem. Here's how to forward them within Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Invoices. To access the invoice queue, simply navigate to the top navigation menu and select Expense Management. From there, choose Accounts Payable and then Invoice Queue. To select invoices from the queued tab, simply checkmark the checkbox next to the invoices you want to forward to another module. Then click on Bulk Actions and select Forward. It's important to note that if an invoice's status is verified, you need to edit the invoice and change its status to in verification. Select the business and service to which you want to forward the document, and then click on the Continue button. Receipts. Go to the Receipt Box module in your Docyt account. Navigate to the right side and choose Receipt List. To send receipts from the Uploaded tab, select the receipts you wish to forward by checking the checkbox next to each receipt. Then click on Bulk Actions and choose Forward to proceed with sending them. Select the business and service where you want to send the document, and then click on the Continue button. And there you have it. You have now learned how to forward invoices and receipts within Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.